are learning statistics, until and unless you are learning pandas, data frames, matplot, sklearn, all these things you are learning, machine learning algorithms, until that we cannot start AI. Okay, so AI comes in the last part. Okay, so just go through the syllabus. This will be your syllabus. In this, anything doubt you are having, you can ask me. Yes, no one, nobody is having any doubt. You can go through the syllabus thoroughly. Now, those who have done Python, right? So you must be having ideally, or you must be having Jupyter. Okay, so you can do the programs anywhere, whether you do in your ideally or whether you do in your Jupyter mode. Okay, no, that is not an issue. So if anybody doesn't know how to install it, okay, so I will be guiding you how to install Jupyter and all. Most probably everyone is having over here, right?
We can do in
Yes.
VS Code also now.
Yes, anything you can use.
Okay.
Getting here, even yeah, because but usually, right, in ideally, like for as a teaching purpose, I'll be using ideally. But if you as a learning, as a fresher part, right, if you are using any of the tool which you are comfortable, you can go ahead and use. And of about SQL, SQL is we are not using right now here. Okay, so you are having CSV files. So you will be importing the CSV files or the Excel file. So usually in real-time projects, right, we are having CSV files. That is our data set. Okay, so at present we are not going to link our SQL with Python. If you are linking SQL with Python, it will be a core project. Are you getting? Hello? Okay, so you must have done many projects linking SQL and Python, core Python programming. Here we are going to do what? We are going to import the CSV file, and we are going to do the transformation by using the data frames. Okay. Yes, anyone else? Anything? Can ask me.
And it will be more comfortable when it goes practical more than theoretical.
Yes, very correct. See, that is what the first two days. Okay, at least first 2 days will be the theoretical only. Why? Because data science. The first part is what data science intro. Okay, then when we will start our pandas numpy, that time only programs will be there. There will be no documentation or there will be no theory part like that. Okay, so if nobody is having any doubts, shall I start with the data science intro?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, right? Okay, so syllabus is with you. You can go ahead and check later also. So as per the syllabus, the first unit that we are having is our data science intro. Okay, so what do you mean by data science? So how many of you can just tell me the difference between data scientist and a data analyst?
Data analyst, like we visualize using visualization tool, while data science we use more like cleaning the data. It deals with cleaning the data.
Data science is used for cleaning the data. Hello.
Yes, ma'am, some sort like that.
Some
Actually,
sort. Then
data
what
science
do you?
focus on the research-based stuffs, right?
Hmm? Yes.
Like scientific side.
See,
Analysis is
see
compared.
hmm, in data analyst, what you are going to do? See, in data analyst also you are doing cleaning, right? If you have done a data analyst course, what things you are learning? Python you are learning, SQL, Power BI, Tableau, right? What are these tools? These tools are used for data cleaning, ETL tool. These are called as what? Extract, transformation, and load tools. Okay. In these also you are going to load your data set, whether it is an Excel file or an SQL file, and you will clean it, transform it, and you will build insights. Right. So this is what the thing that you are going to do in your Power BI and Tableau. So here, what you are doing here, you are using the tool itself. Okay. In data science, what you are going to do is that you are going to use some machine learning algorithms. Okay. In data analyst, you are not going to use any of the machine learning algorithms. Are you getting? Okay, so these algorithms you are going to learn it and you will use it inside your Python. You will just call the header files. Okay, so sklearn, you'll just call that particular header file. Linear regression algorithm you have learned. The theory part you have learned, you will just call linear regression and your work will be done. If you want to find out any outliers concept, then you just have to call that particular header file. You have to use that particular method in your Python and the insights you can build it. Getting here? So in your data analyst, okay, so data analyst position is exactly not a coding part. Okay, more coding will not be there. It is not considered as an coding technical part. In data science, data scientists, these are called as technical persons because here you have to do the exact coding. Okay, so coding will be there, programs you have to do, so it is more up to the technical side. In data science scientist, you will be using machine learning algorithms, AI. In analyst, you won't use those things. Just you will use that particular tool and you will build the insights. Getting here? So technical and non-technical, you can categorize it. Right? Yes. Okay, so now coming back, what is a data science? Okay, so how you are going to relate data science, AI, machine learning, deep learning, how you are going to interconnect these fields? All are looking same only. Right, everything is coming under one thing. So, which is that one thing? So, all these are coming under one screen that is called as AI. So, as you can see here, so inside my AI, all these things will be coming. Okay, so my machine learning, deep learning, right? My the data science field, everything comes under the part of the AI only. So, this thing you have to remember. So when you go for an any interview, right, data science interview, so I'll be telling in the course itself, whenever you can just note it down or you can remember. Sometimes when you are a fresher, they will be asking you this question. So what is the difference between a data science and the AI? Both are same. Okay, so just you have to tell the difference in one line. So what you will tell? So data science is nothing but it is a field. Okay, it is a field where you are going to develop the insights, and you will be loading your data. You will be loading your data sets, okay, into your data science field, and you will be generating or you will be extracting the insights. And what is AI? AI is nothing but it is going to use the human intelligence. So using human intelligence, the AI can create different types of intelligent machines. Getting here? So both are interdisciplinary, same. Okay, you can use that. And what is a machine learning? Machine learning is nothing but developing the algorithms. Okay, different types of algorithms you are going to use here and you are going to implement it in your AI projects. And what is deep learning? Deep learning is nothing but it is you must have learned, right, neural networks. Okay, so in deep learning also you will be using some of the neural networks concept. Okay, so if you go through what is the data science intro, so you can see here as I have shared the screen. So in data science, you will be using these tools: Python, R, MATLAB. Getting here, and the applications where and all it is you applied. Okay, so you all know predictive hospitals, right? In healthcare, it is used. Customer segmentation, okay, predictive outcomes, pattern discovery. These are the important applications where the data science is used. Okay, and for key skills for a data science, if you go, so you have to know either Python or R language, and also you have to know, you have to have the knowledge of all the algorithms. There are basically 12 to 13 algorithms. Okay, in that we will be thoroughly, you have to be thorough with the 9 algorithms. Are you getting? Specifically 9 algorithms, you have to be very much thorough. Okay, and also you should have the data statistics part knowledge in data science, mean, median, mode, right? Whenever you want to clean the data, so replacing the null values, missing values, okay, finding out the missing values. So for all these things, what you have to use, you will use the statistics part, mean, calculation of mean, median, mode for the columns, for the attributes. Okay, so this was about data science. Okay, the applications, fraud detection, healthcare analysis. So previously you were doing the projects in this. Okay, many of the projects, Kaggle data set you were using, and you will be doing these projects. Now, coming back here, deep learning. Now, what is a deep learning? As I said, neural networks is there. Okay. And also core Python programming should be there. If you are learning deep learning, then core Python should be there. And also statistics part. Okay. Calculus, probability. Okay. And plus statistics should be there. Okay, so the deep learning is nothing but whenever you are involving any neural networks, okay, deep neural networks or speech recognition, right, image recognition, all these come under what? Deep learning. Okay, so the applications of deep learning will be what? Your NLP, natural language processing, right? Image, speech recognition, voice recognition, all these come under your deep learning applications. Okay, and then next is your machine learning. In machine learning also is what? It is a part of a AI, as you all know, right? So whenever you want to do any predictions based on your particular data set, so you will be using some of the algorithms. So which are the algorithms you will be using? Either supervised, unsupervised, reinforced learning. So all these are the some of the types that you are going to study. So here also in machine learning, you will be using, you should know the tool called as Python or R. Any one is enough. So here at present in Besant, we are using Python only. Okay, and we will use all the statistics part. Here also you have to learn. And the applications of machine learning are what? Spam, spam detection, right? Okay, spam mail detections. Okay, so usually image recognition they will do, but usually image recognition, it will be coming in part of a deep learning only. Okay, then next is your AI. So AI is nothing but, you know, the simulation of an human intelligence brain. Okay, so in this everything will be coming. So whatever projects you do, okay, so all projects, all applications can be considered as the AI. But we are going to use what? We are going to use the chatbots. How to create a chatbot? Okay, we will be using OpenAI. Okay, OpenAI, voice assistant, self-driving cars, Tesla, right? So all these are the examples of AI. So basically in your basin, we will be developing the chatbots over here by using the AI. Okay, getting here? Okay, so this is what the basic intro part of the data science. So whenever you go to a data science, so all these you have to know how does this takes place. So this data science is a very small part, see, and inside this AI all are being replaced. Okay, hello, yes, anybody is having any doubt in this? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you getting? So this is a simple
Yes,
data science intro. Anybody, I hope everyone is knowing, right? What is AI? This from a document I will forward it. Okay, I will put it in the group. You can go through it nicely. If anything you are not getting, you can ask me. Shall I put it right now so that you can see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yeah,
ma'am.
I'll just put it. You can go through it. So this was just an intro part, like how the data science works. Just let me first put this document so that you can go through it. And one more thing, anybody, anything, any doubt, right? Please interrupt and ask me, because carrying over the doubts will not work. Getting here, so you can interrupt. We will go slow until and unless the doubt is being cleared. We will just go slow. You can interrupt and ask me. There's no point. Okay, don't carry your doubts and move forward. So I'll just put these documents. Okay, now see how is your data science related. Okay, so as we have seen, so the data science is very much related
Hello,
to
ma'am.
AI and machine learning.
Hello,
Hello, yes, tell
hello,
me.
ma'am. I have one question, ma'am.
Huh, tell
Actually, you
me.
says data analytics and data science. Data
Huh,
analytics part is the non-coding part, but in some of the job vacancies, they are always ask Python.
huh,
So it is
yes.
a compulsory to do that because we are doing in a data analytics.
No,
It is
no.
a full of coding.
Data analytics, you will be learning only core Python programming. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
In data analytics, you are learning the basic Python. Okay. In
Okay.
Python, in data analyst, you Python, what you are learning, right? So you won't be developing insights there. There you are not developing insights by using Python. Charts. Insights means what? Charts, graphs.
Charts. Yeah,
Getting
yeah,
it?
yeah. Yeah, there is a just like
Uh,
we have
uh,
using a Power
Simple.
BI. There is some
Huh.
customized chart. So
There
that
you
kind
will.
of chart we can develop in a data science.
Yes, that type of like Power BI charts you were doing, right? Bar chart and
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
histogram
yeah,
chart you are
yeah,
doing in Power
yeah, yeah,
BI,
yeah.
right? Line chart
Yeah.
you are doing in Power BI. The same chart we can do it in Python,
Okay.
in data science Python. So there is one
So,
directory called as matplotlib. If I call that matplotlib directory and if I use those methods, I can create bar chart.
so all the libraries are part of advanced Python. Yeah.
Yes, yes, all. There are so many libraries in Python. It is very much difficult to learn everything. So as you are getting the projects like that, you have to go and learn. There are many libraries in Python. How many algorithms are there, right? For all algorithms, you are going to import some of the algorithm. Linear regression algorithm, you will import that, and you will use those methods. Are you getting? Okay.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
you want to
yeah.
create a
Actually,
bar
I'm
chart.
seeing yeah.
If you want
I'm
to create
seeing
a bar chart in Python,
yeah.
then you
Yeah.
will call that bar method. If you want to create a line chart, you will call a plot method.
Okay, okay.
Then that chart you can prepare. In Power BI, you are just on click you are doing. But here you are doing the code. The code is not difficult. The code is very, very easy. Remembering the things is only the part. The code is only 4 5 lines in this advanced Python, right? Only 4 5 lines. In core Python programming, what you must have learned: Fibonacci series, right? User UDF, user defined function. Getting here. So these things you will learn. Coding part, how to develop a coding. Here you will be doing for the insights. You'll be developing the insights.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Yes. Yes, anyone else? Hello? Hello? Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
So, yes. So this was about the data science. So as I have said, okay, I have given you this document because sometimes you will be having some they will be asking you to write some interview questions type like sometimes whenever freshers are going for interviews, right? So some questions they will give like applications of data science. So at that time you can just go through it. Okay, for the placement cells, right? They will be asking you this, so you can just keep this document and go through it. So as I have said, in healthcare, how the data science is used in healthcare medical side, it is used for disease predictions. Okay, so any early stage cancers, if you want to predict it, right? So you can use the data science. Also it is used for your drug discovery. Okay, so any form of biological and chemical information, if you want to find out for any particular drug, right? So you can use your data science. Also for fraud detection, credit card, debit card frauds, right? So here you will be using the pattern matching machine learning models, and you can detect your fraud. Okay, whatever credit card fraud is there, or credit card financial risk management is there. So all those things you can do it. And next one will be your, the most famous is your forecasting. Okay, so forecasting means
Ma'am,
what you want. Yes,
your screen is not visible, ma'am.
is it so? Okay, one second. I shared, right? I have shared it. Is it
It's
not
not
visible?
visible to me. Yeah.
Is
No,
it
we
so?
are able
Okay.
to see, ma'am.
Okay. Maybe then you, who is that? Then maybe you leave and rejoin. Then only it is visible. Sometimes
Okay.
it happens.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So the main, yes. So the main thing is what? Forecasting. Forecasting means what? Whenever you want to predict, okay, what is the total sales for the next 2 years, right? So usually in Power BI, those who have done forecasting is done in which chart? Yes, forecasting is done in Power BI in which chart? No one? Hello? Yeah, this will be an interactive. Anytime I will ask you questions, okay? And I will anytime I will tell you to share the screen also. Let I be very clear. I'll tell you to share the screen. I'll be asking you some questions. It will be an interactive. I have to get the feedback from you, how much you are understanding. Then only I'll move forward. Okay? So nobody is knowing which chart will give you forecasting in Power BI.
Plot a line chart, ma'am.
Yes, line chart. Line chart is the only chart where you can do the forecasting. So like that, here also you can do forecasting, trend analysis, you can do it. Okay, for your whether it is an inventory management or whether it is a sales management. Okay, and the most probably used is the data science in your applications is AI. So AI technologies means voice assistants. Okay, so all your smart home devices, right? So for all those things, AIs are used. You can put all those examples. All smart home devices are called as AI. Then NLPs, right? Chatbots, computer visions. Okay, then also you are having these, see here, in search optimizations. Okay, supply chain optimization. Okay, this is also very nowadays it is very much used. Supply chain optimizations, and in social medias. Okay, for knowing the blogs. Okay, for all these things. So all these are the applications of your data science. So in this, any five you can write whenever they are asking any question, right? Theoretical question, what are the applications of, or what are the various domains of AI, or what are the various domains of data science? So you can write any five and split up. So logistics means you can split up, web search means you can split it into three examples. Okay, so this document also is only for your theoretical purpose. Okay, getting here, right? Yes, anybody is having any doubt in this? So this was just an intro part. So from tomorrow, I hope everyone is having Python. I will just go through the core Python in one glance for tomorrow as an introduction. And from day after tomorrow, we will start pandas. Okay, our uh, advanced level Python. Okay.
Okay,
Hello.
ma'am.
Okay. So
Okay.
you can go through these documents and any doubts you can ask me, right? You can just, this is just a theoretical part. No, nothing program is there or nobody is asking you from this. Only they will ask what is AI, what is data science, what is the difference between AI and machine learning. Okay, that too in one line. They don't have time. Interviewers don't have time to listen the explanation, to be frank. So in one line, you have to explain everything, right? So tomorrow I will take core Python programming. Okay, I will just show you the slides. Whatever you learn, the same thing in 1 hour session, I'll just brush up. And from day after tomorrow, we will start pandas. Okay, so as if you are doing in Jupyter, fine. If you're doing in IDLE, then you just have to type in CMD import the this thing, the pandas header file you have to install. So pip install pandas. Okay, you have to just install pandas and just make it ready. For example, I'll show you here. Many of them would be having also, right? This is your ideally, right? Okay, so if I am typing over here, import pandas as PD. Okay, so no error should come. See here. Okay, I am not getting any error over here. Why? Because I have already installed my pandas. So you just have to go to your CMD and say pip install pandas. So automatically it will install your pandas and make it ready. Okay, so you can make everything. We are learning pandas over here. Also, I am going to use NumPy. So you can make ready for this also. Import NumPy as NP. Also, I'll be using Matplotlib. Okay, so all these things you can make it ready within these 2 days. Okay, matplotlib.pyplot, right? Okay, so first we are going to cover these things, right? Any doubt in this? Yes, tell me. Hello.
No doubt, ma'am.
No doubt, right? Okay, fine. Fine then. As an introduction, if anyone is having anything want to ask me, they can ask. Otherwise, we will stop and tomorrow I will finish off core Python. Yes, Jafar, are you there? Somebody has messaged me. Yes, tell me, Jafar,
Yes,
are you
ma'am.
there? Yes,
Yes, can you hear me?
yes, I can hear you. Please go ahead.
Yeah. So, do you want me to talk with the coordinator, or you are talking with him?
Yeah, you can also kind of talk with him, and even I will also talk with Ambu sir. Right after this session, right?
Okay.
One more class I am having. Okay, after nine
Okay.
o'clock. After nine, one more class I am having from 8 to 9. So after 9, I will just talk with Ambu sir and I will confirm it. Like because you don't know anything, right? Are you knowing some
Yeah.
basics?
No. I don't have any idea
Nothing, right?
about it. No.
Okay, from the scratch, you don't know anything means it's better you should join Python first, as per
Yeah.
my view. Yes,
Yeah.
because it
That
is,
makes sense.
I don't want to waste your people's money. I know
Yeah.
the things. So it's better you join for a Python course full fledged because core Python will be be there, right? Where the course is being taken. You learn Python and then you can join here because I am going to teach the advanced level. Only tomorrow I will be just showing you in PPT slides within 1 hour. Just I am going to show you the slides. Are you getting? So those
Yeah,
who
yeah,
are knowing, right, they will be knowing these things. So they don't mind if I'm going fast also. But you are telling you don't know anything from scratch. So
yeah,
you have to learn from the scratch means basics should be clear for you.
yeah. Got it, got it.
Getting it? So I'll talk with sir. 9 o'clock I'll talk with sir. And even you can also talk, no problem. But after 9 only I will call.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Fine, fine. Yes. Good.
Ma'am, I had one casual
Fine.
doubt, ma'am.
Tell me, Ganesh.
Ma'am, like I see like related to data science and analytics opportunities for freshers, why is it less compare like they'll ask experience? I wanted to know why is it like that, ma'am?
In data science and data analyst, they are asking experience, you are telling?
Yeah, like wherever I see the post, like there I'll ask experience people, ma'am.
Yes. Why? Because for freshers, they again have to train it, right? They want the work to be get done. For freshers, again, they have to give the training. Are you getting? And
Yes,
for see, when they want to give the training means again they have to spend some amount of time, some amount of money they have to spend. A training period will be there for you. So they don't want that. They want an experienced person who has handled real time projects already. Okay, now suppose you have joined a data analyst course, you you will be knowing Python, you would be knowing SQL. Though you are good in the coding part, but actually the real time project, how does it work? You don't have that experience. Real time projects are totally different, to be frank. So if you suppose you as at present you have done a data analyst course, right? So you have completed some Power BI or something, some Tableau, some course if you have completed. So what project you have done with the data set, that will be very small data set. So that data set is nothing in front of the real time data set. In real time you will be having 10,000 rows, more rows will be there, more columns will be there. So handling such a big amount of data is a great task over there. So here you are going to play with only 1,000 rows will be there. Are you getting? So you must have
yes,
used some superstore or something. So some 1,000 records are there, 1,000 rows, 999 and 99 and 99. But in real time, it's not like that. There will be many records. The data is only different. So cleaning that data and performing the transformation steps is a great thing over there. Getting here. So they require the experienced persons for it so that their work done will be faster.
oh, okay, ma'am. But for freshers, like we will like not get opportunities,
No,
ma'am.
for freshers, see the recruitment category, how it is. Freshers is a different part. Freshers, they will recruit and they will give you trainings. Okay, you people cannot apply for the experience, right? As a fresher, you require a training. Okay, so they will give you small, a bit of a small project. Okay, your modules will be different. Are you getting?
Oh, okay, yes, ma'am.
Okay, some small modules they will be giving you. Okay, for a probationary period for 1 year. Then, according to the performance, they will shift you to the new project.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Okay, so initially you will be having a team lead and all. Initially, you will be under some guided person. Then only they will see your performance and they will give you the projects. They will allot you the projects. Okay.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Anyone else? Okay, then fine. If now nobody is having anything, so we'll stop for today. See here. One of my it came. One of my student has done this. Okay, so it's a very customer segmentation. Just now we have seen, right? Hello, you can see the screen, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello,
Yes, ma'am.
see.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
in this way, just as a part, I just want to show this way you have to do. See, the coding is only 4 5 lines. right? So, but you are going to explain this. What a type of chart. Okay, see, all charts only are there over here. All insights you are developing. Okay, so this is a customer segmentation machine learning algorithm, right? Okay, so this way we are going to use it. But for you people, as I have given the syllabus, you are developing, I think so, chatbots. We can use the chatbots over here in place of machine learning algorithms. Hmm? Okay, fine then. Anybody is having any doubts? No? Okay. Fine then. We'll meet tomorrow. Okay, same time, 7 to 8. And anything you can put it message in the group itself. Any problem, any doubt, you can put in your data science group itself. Right? So no need of me to give any Jupyter installation file and all, right? Anybody wants it? Hello?
You should
Shall I
post
give
that
it?
in group, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is the
Okay.
use of Jupyter file?
Okay, you don't know Jupyter. Fine. Okay, then I'll teach you tomorrow. Like, what are the ways, where and all ways are there to do Python programming? Okay, it is a tool where you will do the Python programs. Getting here,
Ma'am, in
Prema?
VS Code only we have
Okay.
Jupyter.
Yes. See, that is what I will show you tomorrow. Today, one thing I'll do it. I'll forward the file, Jupyter notebook file, where I am having the programs. Okay. But no, tomorrow itself I'll forward. If today I'll forward, I don't think so everyone will understand. Okay. So tomorrow I'll show you how to do it and what it is. Right? Okay. So as I'm having one more class by 8 o'clock, we will leave it now at present. Tomorrow sharp 7 o'clock, please join everyone.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay.
So,
Fine
ma'am,
then.
thank you. Thank you for your time.
Thank you. And I'll speak Jafar. Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah.